People will call me and ask, when they're shopping for an acid neutralizer, they'll say, I notice you have non-backwashing and backwashing. What's the difference? The difference is with a backwashing acid neutralizer, you have an electronic control valve. You need a drain for water discharge, which is about 140 gallons for the 2.5, and you need electricity. With the non-backwashing acid neutralizer, you don't need a drain, you don't need electricity, and it's much easier to install. People ask me, what does the electronic valve on the backwashing acid neutralizer do? Well, basically, it has a 7-day timer, and at least once a week, it'll automatically put itself into a regeneration and rinse the media bed. And we only really recommend the backwashing acid neutralizer if you have high iron in the water, where you need to treat the iron or you need to treat the pH before it goes to the iron filter. As far as maintenance goes between the non-backwashing and backwashing acid neutralizer, there's virtually no difference. The only difference is this one backwashes, this one doesn't, and it has nothing to do with the pH level in your water. As far as raising the pH, there's no difference between a non-backwashing and a backwashing neutralizer. As far as price goes, this one is a lot less expensive than this one, and it's a difference of about $400 to $600. As far as installation goes, the 2.5 cubic foot non-backwashing acid neutralizer is much easier to install. It doesn't require a drain. It doesn't require electricity. You have an inlet and an outlet, and basically that's it. With the backwashing neutralizer, you have to install a discharge drain somewhere in your house, whether it's a sanitary tub, or you can take it outside, or you go directly into your septic system, and you also need electricity. People ask me, if I get a backwashing neutralizer and install it, how much water is it going to discharge during the backwash cycle? And here's an example. This 2.5 cubic foot 2510 SXT system, when it goes through a cycle, it's going to discharge 140 gallons of water. If you're curious about which one we sell the most of, 99% of the time, our customers choose the 2.5 cubic foot non-backwashing acid neutralizer.